guys, I want to get on here today and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. As we all are trying to get through this, everybody needs to be at home. Everybody needs to take care of one another. Stay 6 feet away if you're out and about. Only go to the grocery store. Let's see, what else? We can go to the grocery store, the drugstore. We can go to the bank. We can go to, where else can we go? We can do drive-through, take out, the drive-throughs. Anything that's drive-through, we can do that pretty much. But you have to have a purpose to be out. And you say, well, I really don't have a purpose to be out, so just stay home. That's what we're doing. Well, today is 3 weeks for us, and we do go to the grocery store for the pickup, and I've told you this on some other videos that my favorites is Publix, a grocery store. We've done Publix, I've done Kroger, I've not done Walmart yet, and I'm trying to stay out of big groups. Recently, I ordered some face masks, and I have several coming. They'll be for friends and family. And this lady that lives in a community that's just north of Atlanta, she is making them. So I ordered some, and they should be coming in before too long. And I want to thank her for that. But I'm going to do everything I can, a conscious decision that I am going to do the best that will keep my husband and I as healthy as we possibly can. We wash our hands, we wash our hands, we wash our hands. We don't put our hands on our face, and it's not always easy, but it's just something we have to do to get through this. Don't be fearful, don't be depressed. If you feel down and out, get your mind on something else. If you have to watch a movie on TV, and watch things that are funny or uplifting. Uplifting and funny things are the best thing in the world. If you watch the news, if you want to keep up with current events in the morning and maybe time in the afternoon. I know in our office that the news is on pretty much all the time, and when I get to a point that I just don't want to listen to it anymore, I said, let's just put some music on. And we're very blessed that our offices are in our home, so we're lucky that way, even though our business is something that not many people are working right now, and if any. But, we're going to do it day by day, time by time. Try not to think about it, knowing that this is not forever, and it will pass. And so if you have that mindset to do the same thing, just to keep that positive attitude, if you feel down and out, watch something funny, even on YouTube. There's so many funny people out there. There's so many. I love to watch people that are uplifting and positive, and not, the negative just doesn't work for me. It's just me. I've always been that way ever since I was a little girl. Even if I talk to a family member and they're down and out, I try to pump them up. Or if it's a friend, I try to pump them up. And that's just something I want to do, or make them feel a little bit better about life. So don't be fearful. This too, it is going to, just remember this. In life, it cannot be all the same. It can always be happy. It can always be, positive. But you make it the best you can be, best that you can do. Don't worry about what you have no control over. I've said that in many of my videos. So, as I've rambled, as you know I do, just be kind. Be kinder than they are. Look the best in any situation. Reinvent yourself. It might give you the opportunity. This might bring you totally to another decision of what you want to do in life, with your work, with anything, with relationships, whatever. It's a time for us to reflect, be thankful, and love one another. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you, and I'm sending you a hug, a virtual hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so. I love you. Until tomorrow.